Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you have a downloaded Flutter SDK and a terminal ready. First, check the exact folder path where the SDK lives. Once done, inspect your environment variables, Flutter Home or a path entry pointing to Flutter/bin. You run Flutter version to force the system to probe that path. If it prints a clear error, note the path shown. This gives you a factual starting point and reduces guesswork before you change system settings. Now you correct environment configuration. On Mac OS or Linux, export path with the exact SDK folder, include Flutter/bin, then source your shell profile so changes take effect. On Windows, add the Flutter/bin folder to user or system path via system settings, then close and reopen the command prompt. Make sure to restart the IDE as well, because it caches paths. Once everything is updated, run Flutter Doctor. It validates SDK detection and highlights. Finally, you complete the fix and handle stubborn errors. If Flutter Doctor still reports the SDK not found, check file permissions and ensure your user owns the SDK folder. Incorrect permissions can block detection. Also search for duplicate SDK copies and remove conflicting path entries so the system uses one correct location. If nothing works, reinstall the SDK to a simple path, /Flutter or ~Flutter, and re-add Flutter/bin to path. This eliminates path complexity and usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.